Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more with all of you. And today I thought since we have a few little holidays and things coming up, I would share some different ideas for our beauty bag. And as you can see, I have some goodies already in there for Easter. So I'm going to share with you today some ideas that you can put in for Easter gifts, Mother's Day gifts, and also graduation gifts. So it's a lot of fun to fill these up and they're really good value. You can mix and match them any way that you want. So I am going to switch around and show you the whole thing unrolled, but I will real quick open it up just to give you an idea of what we're going to be looking at here. And then I'm going to hang this up so you can see it all more clearly. So let's go. So one of the things I love about this bag is you can literally clamp it on anywhere as you're traveling, and it's nice and sturdy with a metal hook, and it also buttons up and has reinforcements with the Velcro. So it's really easy to take all about with you anywhere you decide to go. And also these pockets remove. I did do another video on these, so if you would like to see that, I can link that below. But I just wanted to give you a little idea. I went with the Naturals collection for this particular Easter one. And as you can see, I put a candy in each one. And then I also went to Target and got like a thing of washcloths so that I could put different ones in. And you can do them any kind of pattern you want, depending on who you're doing it for. I have some Easter grass in there, and also a little Easter egg, and they are filled with little samples. And I will do a clip as well to show you what I put inside each egg. So that was one of the bags. There are 4 total. The next one, I have the little freshener for your face spray, and then also another egg that has samples in it. And then of course it wouldn't be Easter without Peeps, so I had to include some of those in this one as well. And then we moved down to the third bag, which I included a mask and also a masking tool so that they can put that on their face. You can see it a little bit in there. Another sample egg, and of course another chocolate bunny. And then for the final one, I did another sample, and then I took the hand creams out of the box for our new spring set. And I included that in there as well to give them a little bit of sample pampering of everything. And like I said, there are lots of different options that you can do with this bag. So I will show you what is in each egg, and then I'm going to change this out and show you some ideas that you can do for Mother's Day. Okay, so let's see what goodies that you can put inside the egg. Here is one idea. I put the Time Wise Foundation Primer Sunscreen and just a little piece of candy in this one, just to give you guys an idea of what I had inside each egg. And then the other one that I did, I put a clear proof in, which is also a mask sample, and then I also did another little piece of candy. And then the next one I did, a pretty little pink egg, and I did a lipstick sample along with a Hershey Kiss. And then for this one I have another Hershey Kiss, and I also did a foundation sample. Now I know it might not necessarily be the same color that they may be wearing, but this is a good idea just to let them feel the texture and everything of the foundations to see if that is something that they would like to try. So that is another option for you. So those were the 4 eggs that we had. And then I wanted to show you, you could also add in the body creams. The shower is one. We have the apple and almond. You could replace one of the products for these, which is always a nice gift and goes for everyone for Easter. So I just wanted to give you a close-up of that. And then the other one that we have is the berry and vanilla. And that would be another great choice. This is the body lotion. And like I said, they both scents come in the body gel for the shower and then the body lotion as well. And these are just something else you could substitute if you would like to. Okay, next I'm going to be talking about what you can pack in here for Mother's Day and just give you a few ideas. So in the first pocket, I started with our TimeWise 3D 4-in-1 cleanser, and then I also added another one of the washcloths in there as well. And then as we go down to the next one, I put the rest of the TimeWise day and night creams in there. I also put one of our serums in there, and I added a perfume to make mom feel extra special. That is the Thinking of You one. And then next, as we went down, I put in our eye gel patches, and then I also did a color quad of the eyeshadows and blush in that one, so she'd had something little to treat herself. And then down at the bottom, everyone, if you haven't already, or any of your clients haven't already, is to try the satin hands. And I have the entire set in there to pamper mom as well. So go through each one of these again. And this is just an idea. There are so many different things you can add in here, you know, to personalize it for each individual customer and their moms and what their needs may be. But this is just an idea, and it's a nice little gift to get. Okay, and the last kit of today is for the college student. And today I also went with a skincare regimen, and I picked the Clear Proof. So I basically started out with the cleanser, and I also have another washcloth in there, and I just picked a purple one this time. And then moving down, I also did some more of the Clear Proof system. So you have the acne treatment in the little container there, and then the big one is the toner. And then in the back is actually a little special that we had to give away, and it's a Mary Kay, so they can pull their hair back while they're washing their skin and so forth. So that's a nice little bonus in there. And then down here we have our masking tool, our mask, and also the moisturizer, which is so important as part of your skincare process. So that is in there as well. And then this is the mask brush that I was telling you all about. Not actually a brush, but a silicone top. And that's helpful for applying the mask, or you could also do it with your hands. Either way is fine. And then we'll go down to the last one, and we have some care for a busy college student's feet, and that is our Mint Bliss lotion, and I also included a pair of socks in there. And again, there are so many different ways to do this. You could do a bag that is just completely color as well. You don't have to focus on just the skincare, but the skincare is something that they're going to enjoy and they're going to come back for as they see the wonderful results that it can give them. And again, having this bag to just put everything together is perfect. You can add more candies, you can add little gift cards to Starbucks or different places for them around campus, even little grocery or gas cards. You can wrap it up in pretty little boxes. There are just limitless possibilities to what you can do with this. Thank you all so much for watching this video today. I hope I gave you some great ideas for how to fill your travel roll-up bag. Today I focused on Easter, Mother's Day, and graduation, but there are so many holidays. Another great one is for bridal parties. This is amazing to fill out on a personalized level for all your friends. If you are a Mary Kay consultant and you are selling this as an order, please remember to include all the boxes. Now, some of the boxes will fit inside, and that's fine too. You can do that. But if you want to just make it look a little nicer and you want to take the products out to pack your bag, then be sure to include the boxes because it has all the ingredient information, and also just in case there may be any returns or anything that come back. And then I suggest just taking one of the Mary Kay bags that we have with the handles and opening that up and putting all the empty boxes in there and just making it look pretty too when they cart it off and they're all done with everything. So that's a good idea for the boxes, but please do make sure that you include them as well. So thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy this channel, please click like and subscribe. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know down below. And I can't wait to come back and share more with you. Have an absolutely amazing day.